Today we will be drawing a vampire bat for the Halloween season. I have it playing faster than normal, so be sure to stop or slow the video as you see fit to learn how to draw. As I mentioned before in my previous drawings, learning how to draw is 99% watching and trying to do the same thing yourself. I wanted the eyes to look beady, so they needed to be exactly the same, which is why tracing around circular objects was used for this. Have fun and enjoy the video. If you would like to leave a comment about this video or any of my other videos, please leave it on my trailer video shown on my YouTube channel page. I am always open to suggestions of how I can make this a better experience for you. Looking forward to your support for continued friendships.